Hello friends, today we are checking out the Motorola Edge 70 in the Pantone Lily Pad color with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. Price at around Rs 28,000. Let's take a direct look at its design, display, sound, camera, performance, battery and OS experience. Stay tuned till the end of the video for our final rating. Design, slim and lightweight design. Best part of this smartphone. Display, decent display, but nothing exceptional for this price range. Sound, speaker quality is acceptable, but lacks depth and loudness. Cameras captures decent photos, but overall performance is average. Performance, handles everyday tasks smoothly, but doesn't stand out in its segment. Battery life is sufficient for daily use, but not a strong selling point. OS experience, clean Hello UI, but software optimization could be better. Main reason to buy, slim and lightweight design, comfortable to hold and use for long periods. Overall verdict, if your priority is a slim and lightweight smartphone, you consider the Motorola Edge 70. However, for a price of Rs 28,000, the display, sound, camera, performance, battery and OS experience are only average. Final rating. Overall, the Motorola Edge 70 is mainly recommended for its slim and lightweight design. Apart from that, most of its features deliver an average experience for this price segment. Our rating for this smartphone is 4 on 10. If you have any doubts, ask in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.